In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bold text to an email in Gmail. This is a simple way to make your important messages stand out, and it's incredibly easy to do. Whether you're emphasizing a point in a professional email or simply making something more eye-catching, bold text can be very effective. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Gmail. Just a quick reminder, you can easily find it by going to your bookmarks bar if you have it saved there, or simply type Gmail into the search bar and click the link that comes up. Once you're on your Gmail homepage, you'll see your usual inbox view with options to check your emails. Now, let's move on to sending an email. Look for the Compose button, which is usually located on the left-hand side of the screen just above the top of your inbox list. Once you click Compose, a new message window will pop up, where you can begin drafting your email. You'll see sections for the recipient's email address, the subject line, and the main body of the email. In the body section, start typing the content of your email. Once your email content is ready, you may decide you want to make certain parts of the text bold to highlight them. Select the text you want to emphasize. Simply click and drag your cursor across the words you wish to bolden. This highlights your selected text, which gets ready for formatting. Next, you'll need to access the formatting options. If you don't see the formatting toolbar, don't worry. It's hidden by default in some views. To reveal it, look for the little A icon at the bottom of the Compose window, often labeled as Formatting Options. Clicking on this icon will bring up the full formatting toolbar. With the toolbar visible, locate the B icon, which stands for bold. Clicking this button will immediately apply bold formatting to your selected text. And there you have it. Your chosen words are now bold and stand out more in the text. Here's a quick handy tip. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts for efficiency, there's a faster way to bold text. With the text still selected, you can simply press Ctrl+B on Windows or CMD+B on a Mac. This shortcut toggles bold formatting on and off without having to click on the toolbar. That's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to add bold text to an email in Gmail. Try this out in your next email, and you'll find that your messages are more impactful and easier to read. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks like these.